Bro, today was a good day, bro. Literally, I'll tell you how much I made today. So today we made $935.52. Bro, we literally got off our bro. I'm literally tripping on my words because I'm like, damn, I really hit this trade. But hey, we made $935.52. And yesterday we had lost like $539. We literally got back all of our drawdown. So we got rid of all of our drawdown. And now we're up like $553.32 on the account. Bro, we literally chilling now. And let me explain to y'all how I won this trade. All right, guys, y'all know the drill. Liddy, okay, mark off Asian session start, Asian session close. This is London session start, then London session is gonna get interrupted by New York pre-market right here. Then mark off your New York open. Okay, boom. Now you just mark off your highs and lows to Asian session, and then you mark off your daily highs, daily lows, and then you mark off your 1 hour highs and 1 hour lows and 4 hour highs and 4 hour lows. Then once you get them marked off, then you can see that on NASDAQ, it had been dumping in London session, took out Asian session lows, daily lows, and 1 hour lows, and then made this key thing right here, SMT made right here on NASDAQ. Then you go on S&P 500, took out the Asian lows, daily lows, a 4 hour low, and went lower than the London low that was made, which means that the NASDAQ is the leading index. Boom, keep that in mind. But news was at 7:30. Trump was speaking, and mainly he was speaking about like the tariffs and Greenland and also Venezuela with the oil and all that. So I did not trade during pre-market, but I really was tempted because I did see this SMT that was made. So right here, I was waiting and waiting, and I was like, I should have gotten in because all this was being made. But I learned that, okay, look, during New York Open, I gotta wait till I find a good confirmation that my trade's gonna hit. And it took out the Asian highs and London highs. S&P, it did the same thing too. But boom, zoom in here on NASDAQ on the 5 minute. You put down your equilibrium from right here to up here. Then you can see that it made a fair value gap right here on the 15 minutes. So go into the 15-minute time frame. Go here on your charts right here. Put your equilibrium from the low to the high whenever it started reversing. Then you can see there's a fair value gap right there. And equilibrium was right there too. Right here on this candle, on the 9:30 a.m. candle, price started to go all the way down, then retrace back up, then boom. As soon as I seen this candle close on the 15-minute, that's when I entered in. I literally had no drawdown on this whatsoever. So boom, entered in right here. Price was just skyrocketing up. I targeted the 4 hour highs that were right here, and boom, full take profit hit was little to no drawdown, bro. Bro, these are the trades that I love to hit, and honestly, one of the most best confluences is that SMT. Literally try finding that SMT any single time that I make a trade, and this proves to you that the SMT is like one of the best confluences that you should definitely have in your strategy, bro. Now, going into the account, our account is now up $553.32. Our win rate is at 41.67. Then going here, boom, one trade a day, $935.52. Here is the calendar, which is the one part where I'm like, the last 2 weeks was pretty bad. You see that we had lost. The next week after that was pretty good. We won on this week. This week, nah. But this week, yes. Then this week now is looking like a winning week. Tomorrow I am going to trade because there isn't really any like big news that I wouldn't want to trade on. It's just, I forgot what the news is called. I'll go on it right here. But tomorrow I'm going to try finding my setup. Okay, boom. Keep scrolling down. You can see that now our P&L is up and we have no more drawdown. So now we don't have to worry about our drawdown. We're chilling now. Our account is up. We took a good trade today. And here is news for the 22nd. Here it is, the GDP, unemployment claims, PCE. These are news that I really don't really worry about and that I want to take a trade on. The only thing is on Friday, there is PMI, so not really going to look forward to a trading day on that. But tomorrow, I will look for something in this. But guys, overall, really good trading day today. Really, really good. my confluences, they all hit and everything. And this is exactly like what I keep saying to myself, like these are days that I should be having. And hey, literally had a good trading day. I want to know how y'all did on y'all's trade today. I got one of my homeboys, he actually caught the short after that long, and then now price started to just go back up, which hey, literally like 3 good trades right there. So I want to know how y'all did and everything. Put down in the comments, like, you know, like what y'all think of this trade that I took, or what trades y'all took today. But hey, we all in this together. We gonna keep going and everything. I'm gonna see if I trade tomorrow, but if I don't, I'll see y'all on the next trade.